Hello, this is the light crude oil futures technical analysis and trade idea from Itai Levitin at Forex Live. I'm looking at this trend line, and it seems that oil has pierced both this trend line, having a failed breakout up, as well as this is the first upper standard deviation of the VWAP that is anchored from the beginning of 2023. So I think it's a good failed setup for the Bears at the moment, and we do have an initial response of over 1% decline. I'm thinking to enter at 82.44, which is very close to the current number. And this is an orientation, so it's at your consideration. You can later see if you want to trade at your own risk and take this sort of trade idea and look at lower time frames to perhaps find your entry point. But that is, according to the orientation, that's what I'm looking at. And then the stop would be just above 84 at 84.02. Those that want to have a tighter stop can do it at 83.7. So that would be still above that upper standard deviation, but I'm keeping my stop above the 84.02 and paying a price of a lower reward versus risk for that. Now, the take profit targets are going to be three in this case. One is here at 80.26. Another is just above that VWAP at 78.16. Another one is just behind these lows and this, or just near it, at 76.89. And another one is just above this low and this first low or standard deviation of that anchored VWAP at 72.87 as marked in the purple labels. So the average would be something like this because you're averaging out your take profits. So it would be more or less like this, giving you just about a 4.5 or so reward versus risk. Okay. Obviously, again, this is an orientation. So, for example, after you reach the first profit target, if you do, you can then lower your stop to the entry and just ride it. Okay, I do think that you should take those partial profits. That's a more professional thing to do, but that's at your own risk. And do trade it at your own risk. Do return to Forex Live for additional perspectives. Thanks.